Hey everyone! So Kaylee and I are here today to paint for you. Well, actually Kaylee's going to be doing the painting. So she wants to do a Boilermaker. So we have an 8x10 canvas, and I'm going to go ahead and put the white in for you in the cup so we don't make a mess. Alright. So do you want to tell them what colors you're using?
I don't know. Color Shift Dragon. Lucas Turquoise. Craft Smart Gold. And Lucas Indigo.
Okay. You want to go ahead and start putting them in your shot glass?
Is that
Yep,
enough?
just like that. So I'm going to put lots of layers of color.
More. Looks like a heart.
And we're going to keep going until we fill the cup. So she's been having fun painting with us. We had her on her Monday Night Live. If you missed it, check it out. She did really well on her first flip cup. She's going to be with us most of this month. But she wants to paint, so we're letting her paint.
Is that enough? Do I need-
Keep going. It's got to be full.
Is that enough?
Put a little more of that blue in there. And then we'll take this dragon and we'll shoot it down the middle. Okay, so you're going to pick this cup and dunk it down in there.
Like this?
Yep, just drop it. She jumped. It won't splatter you. And same thing as with a flip cup, you're going to put your canvas over and flip it.
I could have just done that. It would have been way easier than picking the cup up. I'm so stupid.
You're not stupid, you just didn't know.
Okay.
So we let it set for a second because we don't spray these cups and we want all that paint to start coming down. But we are going to let some of this white out first.
That's a lot of white.
Yep. All our color is in the shot glass. That's okay. It's kind of like our base. But what we want to do when we're doing the Boilermaker is wipe your top off with your finger.
Looks so cool.
Alright, so grab your shot glass and go around in different designs while you let some color out. There you go.
Like that.
Just don't make mud.
I don't know how to not make mud.
Just go all over the place.
That was so slippery.
It is slippery.
Oh my god.
Keep going. Paint on your hands is normal when you paint.
But it's so slippery. I can't.
Bloop. Alright, don't overdo it because then you'll get too much. But go ahead and pick it up. Alright, letting on a torch it for you. Don't wipe your hands yet because you're going to tilt. That's pretty, honey. She did good with the colors. Alright, start tilting. You have a lot of paint on there, so you can really tilt. She's learned the cuppy hands already. We taught her that Monday night. Well, she probably learned that from watching because she does watch us. Come all the way back to the middle before you go over, because see how you got a little wonky? All right, and then do your other corner. All right, bring it back to the middle. Set it down, and then I'll torch it. I like that turquoise in there.
I can't even see it.
Right here.
Oh.
What do you mean you can't even see it? That looks pretty. Got lots of new cells. Go ahead and wipe under your edges. Drip, drip, drip. She is a messy painter, though. Lift it up and show everybody your creation. So pretty. Tip it toward you. There you go. She did a great job, guys. So that's going to be it for that one. And that was the Boilermaker. Check out our group on Facebook, the Parage Posse. Check out my art page, Christina Welch Art. And also shop with us on Amazon for all your paint pouring supplies. Check out Etsy for our paintings and for jewelry. We have so many links below. All the paint mixing videos are below as well. And if you ever want to learn a technique, go into my homepage and click on the tutorials, and everything is there. So if you want to learn how to do a Boilermaker or flip and drag, everything's there, as well as learning how to use the airbrush. A lot of people have been buying the airbrushes, and they probably want some guidance, so we do those videos for them. So thanks so much for watching, guys. We'll see you all on the next one. Say bye, Kaylee.
Bye, Kaylee.
Bye now.